Hi everyone, it's Sam from 20Telly and today I'm going to show you how to create a time condition on FreePBX version 16. I'm using the official FreePBX distro with the most up-to-date system and stable modules as of the 1st of February 2023. So the first thing we need to do is log in by clicking on the FreePBX administration icon and filling in the administrator username and password. When you log in, you'll be presented with the dashboard page. We're going to go up to Applications and scroll down to Time Conditions. Now, a time condition defines a set of rules based on a time group. It has two call destinations, one if the time of the call matches the time group assigned, and another if there is no match. They are normally used to control call routing for in working hours versus out of hours, and that's what we're going to do today. So I'm going to go up and add a time condition. We're then presented with a page of different options to fill in. If you're not too sure what each one means, there's a question mark that you can hover over and it will give you a brief description. So we're going to do office hours. So time condition name, I'm going to put in working hours test. We're not going to cover everything on this page today. So I'm going to jump down to time group, which we did create in another video. So if we select the drop down, you can see here Christmas test and in working hours test. So I'm going to use the in working hours. So if the destination matches the time group, where do I want it to go? So I'm going to want it to go to our IVR. Now the time group here is Monday to Friday, 9 to 5. So anywhere between Monday to Friday, 9 to 5, the destination matches this, it's going to go to our IVR. Anything outside of that, where do we want it to go? So the destination does not match the time group set. I want it to go to my voicemail. So if I scroll down to voicemail, it automatically selects me here, but I'm going to change it to my unavailable message. So match the time group, it goes to the IVR. If it doesn't, it goes to my voicemail. Now that's everything on this page. So all we need to do now is click Submit. So you can now see our in working hours time condition in the list. You would have seen on the drop down as well that there was also a Christmas test time group, and I'm going to use this one as well. So if I go back up and I add another time condition, I'm going to name this one Christmas test. And I'm going to go back down to time group drop down selection. And we've got Christmas test here. The time group that we created was showing when we were closed for Christmas. So it was from 12 o'clock in the afternoon on the 23rd of December until 9 o'clock in the morning on the 27th of December. So anything within that time group, I'm going to want it to go to my voicemail because we are closed. So if I go to voicemail and again, change this to my unavailable message. So anything within Christmas, it goes to voicemail. Now, if it doesn't match that, where do we want it to go? Well, I want to go back to my normal office hours and my normal time condition that I have in place. So if I click on the drop down and I go to my time conditions, you can now see here the time condition that we just created, which is in working hours. So anything outside of Christmas, it's going to go to this time condition and it's going to go back to Monday to Friday, 9 till 5. So all we need to do now is click Submit. So you can now see that we've got our in working hours and our Christmas time conditions in our list. I want to use our in working hours time condition in the setup that we've already created. So if we go up to connectivity and down to inbound routes, then we can see at the moment that our mainline number is going straight through to the IVR. There's no time condition set, it's just going there 24 hours a day, every day of the week. So I'm going to change that by going to the edit button and we're going to set destination to time condition in working hours and then click Submit. And to apply all changes, press the Apply Config button in the top right hand corner. So that's everything we're going to cover today. If you found it useful, please like, comment, share, and if you want to see more like this, please subscribe, and I'll see you on the next video. Thanks for watching.